Hello, welcome back to another video. And today we have a special guest.
What's going on, everybody?
No, not him.
Oh, you meant the dog. Zeus. Say hi to Jordan.
Today we're going to do another video. We have a lot of components here. Check it out. Alrighty, guys. As you can see. Oh, what is that? Yeah, someone might have broke that earlier. Don't ask. There you go. See? You see that? See that?
Oh god, that's right in my face.
How to build a $12,000 gaming computer. Starts now. How much has it actually?
1,500 or 1,600.
Okay, it actually cost 1,600, but close enough. Clickbait. And we're back. As you can see, I am a hand model, and this is my tattoo. So, I know you see this. I would throw this if I could, but it's a full box. We're not getting into this first. Don't look at my address either. All right. All right. First, nope, can't see that. Don't know what this is. Sounds like a Wi-Fi card. Let's get into it. I was right. It's thermal paste. I'm too good at this. Okay.
How many times you can say let's get into it? Can we not?
Right, first component. Get out of the way. Okay. You can't see that. It's right there. Okay. Nope. Nope. This looks fun. Let's do this. Don't look at the address. Let's do this. It's a box! I've always wanted a box. Sorry, that was not meant to hit you. I was just trying to throw it. Alright.
There's shit in here, you dick.
Oh, can I see?
It's my 2 fucking storage units.
What I always thought it was. SSDs. Okay.
Fuck, that's why it hurt. I was like, why the hell?
Uncle me. Uncle me. There it goes. Right. Why do they make this so hard? Let's see. Amazon. Jesus criminy. I can't get. Come. Okay. Alright. So what we got here is a holy shit. A 512 gigabyte SSD. Right. Your computer goes fast. Boom. So we shall put this. Where do we put the thermal paste? Okay. Off to the side so you can see it. Next is this box. It contains ST2000LX001. I'm sure everybody knows what that is, as well as I. But I'm gonna open it anyways. Right, so, you know what this is? Neither do I. Next.
That's what the box is.
Alright, so then we got a warranty guide. I'm assuming it's for the other SSD, right? Okay. Right. I know what it is. Oh. Right, so, is it a Barracuda? No, it's a Seagate.
Seagate was cheaper and just as great.
It's like peeling the diaper off of a freshly shitted baby. Anyways, so we got a 2 terabyte Seagate hard drive. Might be wondering, why is it so small? Well, don't ask that question. Next.
You know how much one of those cost the Navy?
$0.
Nope.
I was close.
It cost them $2,000 per unit.
I was close.
That's why the military doesn't upgrade their storage. Because it cost me $60.
I have no idea what the fuck this is. I have my lip. What is? There's barcodes. Oh, okay. It's the Microsoft. You bought a real Microsoft thing? Oh, should have just got the one for the computer, like the one that you didn't have to waste $100. Here are the codes. Go ahead and enjoy that. Next.
What are you talking about? I just bought the operating system.
There's one that you can buy it to where you say you're the owner of the thing, and it's only like $40 for the operating system instead of 100 and whatever.
Well, that was on sale. It's the premium one that works for up to 12,000 or 1,200 gigabytes.
Yeah, you can buy a premium one for the manufacturer. There's a manufacturer version. I don't know. I got mine for like $40.
I didn't want the lower grade ones because the lower grade ones were capping at 336 gigabytes of RAM.
Hybrid 212 LED heat. Man, if y'all could see my kitchen, well, not mine. If you can see the kitchen, but I will dive deeper into these parts here in a little bit. But as right now, we're just unboxing them. This is a separate video entirely. Follow my channel. Okay. Go to
Such a fucking weird.
next. Do we want to open the boxes, or do we want to open the MPGX 570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi motherboard? It's an AMD socket. Okay. Since this is right here. Now what we're not gonna do is we're not gonna take it out of its anti-static packaging. I mean, hello. It'll be fine, because I'll just put it right back in there. We'll give you a little glimpse. See, that's what that looks like. Okay. It's the all black. It's got the 4 gigabyte RAM slots. It's got a huge ass heatsink for it. Where is it supposed to go? Oh, I was like, no, I can show you. You have a lot of parts that you have to take off though. That's for you gotta unscrew all that. That's gonna be fun. Okay.
Yeah, when I saw how big the box was, I was like, oh shit, this might not go in the spot.
You just get your normal cords in here for your SD, HD, everything in here. Your SATA cables, which is HD SSD. You even get your Wi-Fi connectors if you buy the right one. You get obviously your manual disc, and you get some more SATA cables. Oh, and you get the badge. So now we can put this on a LaFerrari. A Ferrari. I was never good at putting this back in the box because I never understood how. All right.
You should open the box all the way first.
Next.
Yeah, that was bound to happen.
Can you now challenge round? If we get to the box.
Yeah, I'll be honest. I don't know what box it was. I have no clue what's in any of the boxes from this point on.
So look at my address. Well, sir, we will find out.
Chinese food. Sorry.
But this, oh my goodness, you'll never believe what this is. 1 second. Okay. Next. Right. So now we have an EVGA 750 gold plated, well not plated, but gold certified power supply. This is really the motherboard of all power supplies, okay? This is like the mitochondria of the cell. This is a really good power supply. Here are some specs. Okay.
Is it really good? I only got it because it said it works better with AMD products.
Yeah, it's gold, the gold certified ones are the best.
Well, it was like
Well, there's a platinum one.
Yeah, it was like there was like 30 different gold variants and only 3 platinum ones. The platinum one jumped up $300 to buy one.
Yeah.
And I was like, fuck that.
It's just like, if you have like the world's biggest power shortage in the world, your computer won't break. Like if you're, for some reason your thing went off grid. Hello? It's locked.
That one said that it was
Rip. I can't. Rip.
when I was looking into it, that one said that it worked. It was better for AMD components and that it had a silent mode on it.
Yeah. Ow. This is something, oh, here we go. This is something I'm very jealous of. Right. So as you can see, this is the video CPU, and this is the Ryzen 7, and it is the Ryzen 7 27X. I said that right too, that's crazy. Wow. This is a very powerful, not the best, cause you know, cheapskate, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It comes with the glowy and the wom, right? So it's amazing. Good product.
I'll have you know, there's only one updated
Cut
from that. There's only one other version.
Cheap.
Hell yeah, I wanted to save an extra $200.
I think that, the one that you're talking about, Michael got.
It's the 7200X Premium Edition.
No, there's a better one than that. It comes in this big ass cube box thing.
Bro, I ordered straight from their site, and there was only one more that was better than that one, and it was $200 more. And I was like, fuck that.
This is literally the holy grail for another month. Cheapskate. Ha. But as you can see here, we've got, oh, they actually taped it. What a guy. They're not supposed to.
Cheap.
$12,000, he said? Yes. As you can see here, we have the GTX 2800. Now this is the holy grail. Let me get the shots going. Ignore the tablet in the background. Anyways. This boy is thick. Comes with a DVI port. Or not a DVI. You got pamphlets. You got whatever the hell this is.
Bag. Okay, you gonna have to put that on the floor.
See that? Nope. On this channel, we do unboxings unconventionally.
I have a few history things from your unboxings that say otherwise.
You wanna go? Okay then.
Like your phone unboxing, my favorite one.
We don't talk about that right now. As you can see, the case does come with anti-glare packets. Right, so we're back. We have figured out that the case does not sit like this, how they presented it, but actually sits like this. As you can see, scoot that back. Tempered glass, handle with care. So, we're gonna take a look at the back. And as you can see, it's got all your necessary trays. Okay.
Kinda sounds gay, but I.
Thank you. You're welcome. So, as you can see, it's got everything you need to have a component in here. Decided to give this entire rig away and this Apple Watch for Christmas. Hang on, I'm receiving a call. Hello? Oh, that's a joke? We shouldn't put that in the video? All of our components here. And now we've got to go to a choir practice. So with that being said, thank you for continuing to support my channel. We're growing at a rapid speed. I love it. Shout out to James for buying all these components. I'm actually giving him my PC and these are all mine. So with that being said, peace.